Hello guys, so in this video we will check the layer templates. So in the insert ribbon tab right here, when you open your insert ribbon tab, you will see that you have something called layer templates. And in this layer template, so here you can add map nodes that have different shapes and different graphics and different colors. All these options in the top right here. Or you can add a point map node or a line or a polygon map node. Or you can also add text as map node. So let's for example add this one here. But I want you to know that all this on the top is the same shapes, but it just give you different colors. So this one will give you bright colors, dark colors, light, paired, pastel, red and green. So all of them are the same, so we will just add one of them, and when you double click on it, you'll see that we have a new layer added for us. And inside this layer you will see that you have point nodes, lines and polygons. And inside of each type you have different shapes and different colors that already created by using one of this template. So if you choose any of other this template, you will have the same options, but you will have different colors. We have circles, we have push pin, we have stars, and for the line we have thick lines and we have dashed lines and we have arrows. And for the polygon we have different colors to create polygons. But all of this will be just like nodes on the map. Think about it like graphics, but graphics with attributes, and you can add nodes to it. So the way to add these nodes, you go to the edit and you edit it like any other layer and you say create. And here in the create feature window, you'll see that you have all the options that you have on your layer, and you can choose, let's say for example, I'll choose arrow line, and we will create this arrow right here, and you can also add dashes, so you can add a line that looks like dashes. And you have different templates here that you can use. You can choose any of these templates, colors, shapes, and you can add it to your map. For the points, you can add just a circle that looks like that, or you can add a star, so you can add star here, or you can add a polygon with any color you have, and you create your polygon. So you can think about it as graphics, but actually it's kind of features too, because when you right click on any of these layers and you go to the attribute table, you will see that it looks like any other layer, and you have edited by, created by, and the object ID, and you can add your nodes right here. So here if we add some nodes, press enter, and after you add your nodes, make sure you save your edits, say yes, and close it, and then you can right click on the layer and make sure that the labeling properties using the field nodes, not the name. Or you can add for the name, you can add your nodes however you want. So this now will show the label as my notes for the graphics I added. So think about it as like any other layer, but it gives you like templates, so you can choose from any of these colors, shape to add to your map. That's for the map notes we have right here. Every single one of them will give you the same shapes but different colors based on which one you choose. So let's go up here again and hide this one, and let's try to add a line. And the line will just give you like a new layer that will add have a line nodes, and this is a regular line. When you go to create feature and we choose this one, it will be like any other regular line. And when you open your attribute table, same thing, you will see that you have the tracking information, created by, created date, edited by, edited date, and we will see how we can enable this for any feature class in another video. But here also you have a default fields created for you, which is the name and the nodes. So that's it for the points, lines and polygons. So let's hide this one, close this attribute table, and let's go and try to add a text node. And as you see here, you have 3 options, but each option of them have a different scale to show this text on. So this one have 1 to 1000 scale, this one have 1 to 25,000, and this one have 1 to 250,000. So make sure when you select this one, you will see that notes layer, text note layer will be created for you, and we can add notes, but make sure you go to the right scale where you can see this text. So let's go for example to the 500, and here you can start adding your notes by go to the create features, and you can choose create a call out, create large or medium or small note. So let's choose the large one, and here we will enter our text, let's say notes, and here you choose how we want to draw your notes. So you can draw it as curved, so it will be curved like that, and double click, and as you see right now you have your note right here, still small because it's actually drawn on a scale of 1 to 250, but we have a scale of 1 to 500,000. So let's zoom in a little bit more, and we can make it, for example, look like that straight, or we can make it just as a point, or we can make it like that with leader. So also if we click on this arrow, you will see that you have the options to change the alignment, you have the option to change the size, the color. So for the new one, we can select color red and make the font a little bit bigger, and you can choose the font size, and you can add your notes right here for your text. This is my test note, and we can add note number 10. And when we go back and we create new note, you will see that this settings, we change it applied right here. So this is the way you can add map notes using any of these templates right here that will give you options for shapes and colors using a text or point or line or polygon. So that's it for this video. It's a very simple way to show how you can add notes even on different scales, and in the next video we will add a graphic layer so we can draw any kind of graphics we want, and this graphics we will draw in the next video, we will not have attributes as this one. So thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.